Alright, for some reason, well, I think I know the reason, my backup lights aren't working on the driver's side. So let me show you what we're doing. So we took them out, and if anything, I think this bulb here, I don't have a pair of pliers to squeeze it, but they were cracked during the hailstorm we had some time back. So what I did is I took the lights off of this side and put them over there, and it works. So something's wrong with this, and I've been looking for a reason to, where's the sun? Looking for a reason to replace them with a set of LEDs. So let me show you where we're going. Alright, so in my backyard here is Diode Dynamics. So we're gonna go in here and see if they can get us a solution to these light bulbs, to these taillights. Alright, some of the lights I sell was obviously overhead lights and bumper and everything else, so these look pretty cool. So we went up to Diode Dynamics and got us some new toys here. Make sure I grabbed the right one. I think these are going to look pretty nice. Well, I'm not sure what those are for. They told me these were a direct bolt-in for the JL. Let's see. So I'll show you how these are installed as well when we take the other side out. Let's make sure that, yep, it's the right side. So since we have the what is it? We have the trailer attachment. Now we don't have sensors on it, so I guess that's what this line is for. These should be just a plug and play. So we'll get this dude in there and give it a test. All right, let's see how that looks. All right, backup lights, because that's the reason why I'm replacing them. And I'll see the rest of them here in a second. It's kind of hard to see, but there's this little pocket, and it's got a cover over it. I don't know where it's at. I'll show you this side. There's a little cover you pop off. You know, this is all part of the Jeep toolkit. Doesn't help when it's freezing outside. Alright, you just gotta kind of work it so that she gets in there. So mine had cracked. Still not in. All right, it's starting to piss me off now. So it's nice when your fingers are numb from the cold. These threads are a little tighter than the factories. Sorry for the sniffling. Kind of wiggle it, wiggle the headlight, or wiggle the tail light, I should say. Remember, you don't need to ugg it. And to remove it, it's obviously just the reverse. So you got this little cover. I'll show you, this has got a little spring on it, so if you, when you try to tighten it, if you over tighten it, it should take care of it for you. So as you tighten it down, this should give you a little bit of spring so you don't break everything. So you can see where it cracked. You just fish it through. You have to pull this little red tab back, press the tab down, and she'll unlock for you. Make sure you get it together. There you go. Make sure your tab's pushed in. Get all this mess back in there. And if you ever have to wire to the inside, you can come up through here, run it through the frame, and run from the inside through your taillights. Real easy. I didn't know that when I had wired some other things. Some might be glaring, but then it's just, you gotta put this thing back in. No special tools needed, just the tools the Jeep gave you. And when you're all done, just sun wet in my eyes. You just put your cover back on. Let's see, is it this way or the other way? I think it's this way. Yep. Maybe it is the other way. Yep. It needs cleaned badly. Put your covers back on. And then just put your kit away. Now the kit normally doesn't have this Allen wrench in it. I got that in there from my wheel centers Not sure what that's for. All right, let's see how it looks. Okay, so reverse. See the brakes on. Tail lights. What, sun's bright. Okay, so that's the form lighting from Diode Dynamics for a JL, probably JT, I don't know. But I kind of like that smoked look. Everybody likes that murdered look anymore. Kind of gives it a different look, especially when you're dealing with an all-black Jeep anyway. All right, so short little video. We haven't put out a lot of content lately. Hope you liked them. Hope you liked this little install. Short, it's easy. Doesn't take many tools. You already got them. See you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.